Hi friends, it's Kim with SweetDaisyCreations. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Thank you for stopping by here to see me again. I appreciate it. And if there's anybody that's new looking at me right now, this is Kim with SweetDaisyCreations, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel. Thank you so much if you are stopping by for the first time. And thank you to all my loyal subscribers. I love you, you know that. Anyways, today we are doing a Grove unboxing. I had been having trouble, as I told you in one of my other videos, finding hand soap because of this COVID-19 pandemic that we're enduring right now. And of course, it's going crazy here in Texas. So we were having trouble. My daughter and I were out shopping the other day. I had to go to the grocery store. We stopped at Target. Could not find any hand soap. It was very hard, and I was down to like my last bottle of hand soap. And I know I probably can make some, but I do love Mrs. Meyer's stuff. So I did get online to the Grove and placed an order. The Grove is a company that carries all plant-based products. And so I usually, well, I've done this before. I've gotten stuff from them. So I did order some hand soaps and some dish soap and some of the spray for your countertops. So let's just open it in the box and see what I got inside. First, I wanted to show you the box came, and somebody wrote on the outside, "Stay healthy, Kimberly." So apparently they know, you know, this whole COVID thing is going around. Now I've already unboxed, well, I've opened the box, so you wouldn't have to listen to me do that. So, like I said, I was looking for hand soaps, but I did order like some sprays and things like that too. So I'm just gonna pull out the first thing I see. And this is one of the hand soaps for Mrs. Meyer's. This one's called Honeysuckle. And I've had this before, and I absolutely love the smell of this. It's very like summery smell. It's just, you know, one of those sweet summery smells. If you ever smelt honeysuckle itself, it definitely smells like this. And the bottles are fairly good size. Of course, these are the same size that they sell like at Target. I find them at my local grocery store. They have them at Walmart too. And they're priced very close to the same price, if not less than what you're gonna find at Target or Walmart or at the grocery store. The prices are very comparable buying from Grove. I think these were like $3.86 maybe, or something like that for these nice sized bottles of hand soap. They are 12.5 fluid ounces in each bottle. But this is the Honeysuckle. And I really love their soaps and everything because it also is plant-based. It says on here that this one's made with plant-derived cleaning ingredients, essential oils, aloe vera extract, glycerin, and olive oil in the soaps. And they do have a wonderful scent. And I do love it when they come out like in the fall. They have a beautiful fall scent that I picked up one at the grocery store or at Target one time last fall. And I loved it. I don't remember the smell of it. I still have it underneath my sink because we didn't use all of it up. But the ones they put out at fall and at Christmas are they smell so wonderful. I just love them. And of course, being plant-based, it's all sustainable and healthy for the planet. So I'm not sponsored, but I love their soaps. So I've been using them for like quite a long time. But anyway, so I got Honeysuckle. And the other soap I got is Basil. I've not had this one before. I did read up a little bit of the comments on the Grove, and I've heard people really like this basil scent. I haven't smelled it myself, but I'm sure it'll smell good. They have one called, I think that's a Grove exclusive. It's called like green grass or something like that. But they have lots of different of the scents online if you order from them. So anyway, so there is one called Basil. I ordered 3 different hand soaps because I knew I was going to need them. And the other one I got is called Rainwater. And I have no idea how much that one, or what it'll smell like, but I'm sure. I mean, there hasn't been many of the Mrs. Meyer's that I haven't liked the scents. There's one in particular that I do not like at all. I think it's called Geranium. That smell is just, it's too perfumey smelling for my taste. And then I want to say there's the lavender is a little strong. My daughter doesn't like it at all. I don't mind the smell, but she doesn't care for it, so I probably won't buy lavender anymore. But this is basil, so we'll see, or rainwater, excuse me. It's rainwater, so we'll see how this one smells. I don't know. I'm not going to open them up right now. And then I did get a dish soap, and this one's Bluebell. And it was nice. They put this on top to keep, you know, it's a tape so that it won't open in the box. And everything's boxed really nice. And my order actually came pretty quickly too, so it wasn't like it took a long time to get here. But anyway, so I got the Bluebell, and the soaps are actually plant-derived cleaning ingredients, essential oils, aloe vera extract, and glycerin is what these are made of. And I like their soaps. I mean, I've been using them, like I said, for quite a while, and I really love them. Now on to some of the sprays. I always buy their surface sprays, which I use to clean my countertops off. You don't have to rinse them afterwards or anything because they are plant-based. This one's honeysuckle, which I love honeysuckle. It's a very summery scent, very sweet. You know, it smells like honeysuckle. It really does, and it's just wonderful. I just really like their, like I said, their sprays and stuff. Now the sprays, it says made with plant-derived ingredients, natural essential oils, and birch bark extract. So, you know, there's no of that bad stuff in them, you know. You know, it says right here on the bottle, made without parabens and phthalates or whatever, glycol solvents, formaldehyde or artificial colors or anything like that. So anyways, I do like their stuff. So that was honeysuckle, and this other one I got is lilac. Now, I haven't had the lilac before. This is one we've never tried, and I'm hoping that we're going to like the scent of this. Like I said, the lavender is a little strong, so let's see what this smells like. Oh, wow. You know, it's amazing to me that they're able to get like the smell of that actual flower, lilacs, into this bottle, because it brings back memories to me, because when I was young, the house that was right next to our house when I was like 7 or so, they had a lilac bush, you know, and it always had beautiful purple flowers on it, and it was gorgeous, and it smelled fabulous. And that smell brings back those memories to me. I mean, it just really smells like lilac. That's amazing to me. But anyway, so that brings back memories. I wish, you know, here in Texas we can't have those they have to have a certain period of frost and everything for lilacs. I wish we could, because I just loved those flowers. Now I did pick up this spray that I've never had before. It's called Caldera, and I've heard really good things about this too. I think a lot of people use this. This one, I wanted to try it because it says it's pear blossom agave. Doesn't that sound like it'll smell great? And this is also plant derived, and it's a countertop spray. Let me see if I can smell this. Oh, that smells good. It's nice and light scent. It's not very strong. But I like being able to use, like, you know, your plant-based products, you know, especially in your home, like on your kitchen countertops and things like that. Now, I still do, like when we, like for instance, if I'm actually, like, not necessarily cleaning chicken, but like when we buy, like, I personally like to get the thighs that are skinless and boneless, but my husband likes skin and stuff like that, which is terrible for you, but he likes it. So I normally cut off as much fat as I can, so the juices and stuff get in the sink, and I do use a Clorox cleaner for that, to clean like stuff like that, because it you know, can cross-contaminate and do all kinds of stuff. So, but I do like using this, you know, on my countertops just for general use, general cleaning, you know. Maybe not during this pandemic. I mean, we are lucky. We're not, you know, none of us have gotten COVID, and we're all healthy. So, but you know, I'm very good about, like after I go somewhere, I get out the wipes and I clean my handle of my car. I get in the car, I clean the handle where you open the door. I clean my steering wheel, my turn signal, not so much the other one because it hasn't been raining lately, but like the radio buttons, you know, or the little things there. My gear shifter, I clean that. You know, I clean all that stuff after I've been out. You know, like for instance, I just did a Hobby Lobby haul, which you've previously seen. But I do that every time when I get back into, you know, first I spray my hands or put Germex on or something like that. And then when I get home, I clean that. And generally around the house, I clean the doorknobs and things of that nature. And the TV channel changer. I do my phone, you know, stuff like that to keep things clean. But, you know, we've been wearing masks and everything, so hopefully we're going to be safe from getting, you know, any COVID. But anyways, I think I'm going to like trying this. And let's see, what else did I get? Oh, I ordered this. This is for cleaning your vegetables. It's a vegetable brush, and it's got a ring, so it's going to be easy to like hold it in one hand and scrub it with the other, you know, just to get, you know how they have that waxy on the outside of like your cucumbers and especially fruit like apples and things like that. They have that like waxy stuff on them, you know, just to use that to kind of scrub that stuff off. You know, obviously you're going to peel your cucumber, but you want it to be cleanish when you are handling it and stuff like that. But anyways, I got this, so I thought it would be great for, you know, scrubbing my vegetables and stuff. And it is all bamboo. It's called the Ring Veggie Brush. It says it cleans all produce from apples to zucchini. Bamboo handle, lets you clean with ease, and it's recycled and natural. Bristles are tough but gentle. So it has, you know, they're kind of tough there, but they'll work good, I think, on cleaning, you know, fruits and vegetables and stuff. So they have this on the Grove, and anyways, so that's what it looks like. A nice handle. It says the ring on there, I think. What does that say? For full circle is what it says right there. But nice little thing. And then the other thing I got is in this box, and it's called Bubble Up. And it's another product that you would set by your sink. They had it in two colors. One of the colors was like a spring motif, you know, spring flowers and stuff like that on it. But I got one that's completely white just to match in my kitchen. If I can get the box open. Now my daughter told me she has seen people who have these. And here it is. It's a little thing with a brush, and again with bamboo. And it's this white container. Like I said, the other one had like flowers on it and stuff, which I loved that, but I wanted something I could keep out all the time. And inside it has this little thing with holes in it and a little spring. So what you do is you take this and you put some soap in there and add some water. You don't have to, you know, just enough so it will suds up. And then you take your brush and you squish it down until you get as sudsy as you want it, and then you can use this to wash your dishes. It's not for cleaning. I mean, I'm not going to use it for cleaning my dishes. It's going to be for actually washing dishes. There are some dishes that, you know, I do not put in the dishwasher, and you know, those things, you know, this would be easy to clean, and the bristles will get right into the, you know, everything, and it's just, but that'll be nice. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of those shaving, back in the day, you know, they had those shaving where they would swish it all over their face. That's what this reminds me of. But anyway, so cute, and it'll be nice and cute next to my sink. You know, and I'll have to test it out once I get done with the video and put some soap in there and see how it works. But it's super cute, and it's called, what did I say it was called? Bubble Up. And like I said, they had a prettier one, but the white will be fine. But doesn't that remind you of that shaving stuff? It does to me. But anyways, I do love Grove. I love that they're, like I said, they're all plant-based, all sustainable, good for the planet, and things like that. I am not sponsored, but I do like the fact that these are all plant-based rather than chemicals, you know, and stuff like that. I mean, there are times and places where I use chemical cleaners, but generally in the kitchen, I try to use, you know, stuff that's not like that. Other than, you know, like I said, when we're doing some chicken or doing something, you know, that needs, you know, blood from it's gotten in your sink or whatever, then I would clean that with, you know, with some Clorox. But anyways, so that's what I got from the Grove. And I hope that you enjoyed this little video, even though y'all might not be into this or not, but I do love my Mrs. Meyer's products. So hopefully I will see you in another video soon. I'm hoping that, again, I will be getting my Old Navy stuff and my stuff from LTD Commodities to share with you. And then hopefully I'm going to be able to do my laundry room reveal when we get that cabinet done. And then, you know, doing some of the other things we're working on that I'm working on right now. But anyways, y'all take care. I love you to pieces. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. And we're getting close to the weekend, so I hope you have a great weekend too. Bye, everyone.